1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
Hello, viewers, welcome. What are these? These are called punctuation. What is punctuation? Punctuation means the right use of putting in points or stops in writing. We cannot do without punctuation marks in writing. They show you when to slow down or stop, and they tell you when you need to change directions or where you are going. When you use punctuation marks correctly, your readers will have no trouble finding their way through what you have written. Observe the following two excerpts, one punctuated properly and the other is not. 1. You silly idiot, get off my head, will you? If you don't, I'll bash you when I get up from here, you see if I don't. 2. You silly idiot. Get off my head, will you? If you don't, I'll bash you when I get up from here. You see if I don't? Obviously, the second, punctuated version is easier to read, for it suggests where the speaker would pause or emphasize his words to get the necessary impact. Sometimes punctuation is vital in showing the meaning intended by a writer. For example, 1. Woman without her man is a savage. 2. Woman without her man is savage. In this pair of sentences, one can see how the punctuation affects the whole meaning. The purpose of punctuation is to make the act of reading your sentences easier, to make the movement of the eye across the page smooth. The purpose of punctuation is not to draw attention to itself. You want the reader to pay attention to what you have written, not to the placement of commas. Exercise: choose the correct options. 1. Which one is correctly punctuated? A. Spain is a beautiful country, the beaches are warm, sandy and spotlessly clean. B. Spain is a beautiful country, the beaches are warm, sandy and spotlessly clean. Any comment? Please mention in comment box, like it. Please subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.